how to unpin an app that's locked to the screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, the app needs to be pinned and locked. To do that, you can tap on the recent key, then swipe across and select an app that you want to pin. So here I will pin the calendar to the screen. So I tap on the icon, then tap on pin this app, and then tap on OK. So once an app has been pinned to the screen, you can see it's locked to the screen now. I cannot do anything. I cannot swipe down to open up quick settings. I can access the quick navigation bar at the top. At the bottom here, I can switch between apps. So to unpin it, what you need to do is touch and hold on the recent key as well as the back key. So touch and hold on both buttons simultaneously. So touch and hold for a few seconds. And then we have now successfully unpinned the app. Next, you just need to unlock your phone to gain access to your home screen. And that is how you can unpin locked apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.